Well, hello there, friends. So today what we're doing is a sponsored video sponsored by Weize Lithium batteries. Link is going to be below with a discount code. So here we go. So Weize contacted me and they told me they would sponsor me with a battery if I made a video. So let's take a look and see what we got in here. This is what they call an unboxing. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, this is wrapped up real nice. Okay, let's roll her over. I can see it's already a really nice looking battery. And there she is. Oh, look at that. Nicely packaged and all that packaging. No damage. Actually, it looked to me like this box did suffer a damage here on the corner. And I was a little concerned about that, but I don't see any damage at all on the battery. So I guess they did a pretty good job. So we have the Weize installation manual. Comes with the battery. Oh, that's nice. Got some really nice looking illustrations there. So we'll go ahead, pull this up, free it from its packaging. So what we have here is a Weize 12.8 volt, 230 amp hour. It's a LiFepO4 Bluetooth enabled lithium iron phosphate battery. So what I see here is nominal voltage, 12.8 volts. Capacity 230 amp hour. Watt hour 2,944 watt hour. Charge voltage 14.4 volts. Charge current is 200 amps max. Wow. Standard max charge 46 amps at 200 amps. Let's see, continuous peak discharge. So anyway, you guys know about all this kind of stuff. You can see here that it's got the caution label. So really what I'm showing here is my real world use. But I'll tell you what, this looks like an awesome battery. And you know what? If this was a gel battery or a wet battery, this thing would be a lot heavier. I don't know what this thing is. What is this? Maybe 30 pounds? 35 pounds? Not too bad. It's manageable. So the system I'm running is a Jupiter 5000 watt inverter. And we have a battery here. I'm not going to say the name brand, but it sounds like My Time battery. And then I have a Renogy 40 amp Rover charge controller. And I'm using a EcoFlow 400 watt. It's a portable solar panel here. It's a folding solar panel. I'm running a 27-inch smart TV. I got this massive LED interior light. I'm running a small fan. And my wife already sent out our refrigerator to the Philippines. I didn't know. But what I have here is an ice maker. Look at that. So I think what you're going to see here very quickly is that this is going to be a superior battery. So this is going to be my tester with the old battery. I'm going to run this heat gun right here for 10 seconds and see what happens to the charge. Okay, got down to about 64% on the draw. Let's see how it recovers. Okay, it recovered. Okay, now we're going to hook up the Weize battery. Now we're all hooked up. So this battery here didn't have a full charge. Oh, look at that, just flipped over to 100. I guess it does. Forget I even said that. 99. Okay, so now let's go ahead and test the draw on this. It's not exactly 100, is it? But let's go ahead and try it anyway. Okay, now it is. For 10 seconds. So it appears that it only drew down to about 75%. Let's check the recovery. Got 97. I'm just going to count it at 99 because it wasn't really like a full 100, was it? 98. Went back down to 97. 98. Come on, 99. Okay, come on. I guess what my point is here is that the other battery, it drew down to 64% from 100. And this one here from basically 99 drew down to 75. And I know that you guys are going to say, well, yeah, it's a bigger battery. And that is all true. Well, it wanted me to download the app, but it didn't accept my account name and password, so I can't get that going. But from what I'm seeing here, this is an awesome looking battery and it's performing well. I think I'm going to be really happy with this setup. Thank you, Weize, for giving me the opportunity to represent your wonderful battery. Well, I got everything I need now. I got a TV, I got my ice maker, I got my fan going. Wow, what more can I ask for? Maybe a massage chair. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Well, until next time, cheers!